Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to update your ports of Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to search bar and type device manager. Search device manager and open it. Now maximize the window. Now in the left side, you can see the listed all the drivers of Windows 11. So you have to search for ports. As you can see, a ports option. Double click on it and it will tell you the two options for standard serial over Bluetooth, computer 3, computer 4. So first of all, click on first one and click on update driver. Now here you will see the two options here, search automatic for drivers as well as browse my computer for drivers. So click on first one, search automatic for drivers. Here you can see my Windows 11 PC is already up to date. Now close it and check for the another one. Again, right click on it and go to update driver and search automatic for driver. Now you can see my COM4 is already up to date. So you have to do is close this window and again search for settings, open settings. Here you can go to the last option. As you can see, a Windows update. Now click on check for updates. Now you can see it will start checking for the latest updates. Till then you can like and subscribe my channel and it will list all the latest drivers for your Windows 11 Essential. It will take few minutes. Okay, as you can see, my Windows 11 PC is up to date. So guys, this was a video on how to update your ports driver on Windows 11. I hope you liked the video and thanks for watching.